There. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell
So without
icon
wasting time, let's
so
get
you never
started.
miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello guys, in this video we're gonna flash MIUI9 Pro in VIVO Y51L, or you can also flash this ROM in Y21L. So your bootloader must be unlocked and you must have installed a custom recovery in your phone like TWRP. You can check the video in the I button. I have unlocked bootloader and installed TWRP recovery. So without wasting time, let's get started. If you are already using MIUI9 in your VIVO Y51L, then you don't have to unlock bootloader or install any TWRP recovery. Now you can check my phone is VIVO Y51L and I have installed MIUI9 in my phone. Now you have to power off your phone. Now the phone is off. You have to press and hold power plus volume down key till the phone vibrates. Now using the volume down key, move to recovery and press power key to select it. Now your phone will boot in recovery mode. So this is a TWRP recovery. You can also backup your phone from here. I've already taken backup of my phone. Now click on wipe and select the following. You have to only select Dalvik, data and cache memory. Now swipe to wipe. Now move back. Now you have to install the ROM. Now select the location where you have placed your ROM and all the patches. Select the ROM and just flash the ROM. The ROM has been flashed successfully. Now you have to flash the patches one by one. First we will flash stable flash .zip. After this you have to flash one more patch named OREO patch. Actually the video after this has been corrupted. So you have to flash one more patch after this. There are 3 patches, and after flashing all the patches, you have to reboot your phone. Now you will proceed to setup. After setuping your phone, the MIUI 9 Pro is ready. There are lots of more and more features added, like rounded corners, and you can change the time of your volume drop down. In there are more than 40, I think 50 features added to this ROM. Now and also the proximity sensor bug that was in the previous MIUI 9 ROM. Now that the bug is solved fully. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel.